Now you can craft a coffee shop espresso drink right at your kitchen counter with the Cuisinart Slim Espresso machine. Sized to reserve counter space, this machine is quick and easy to use. Simply turn on the machine, and if you're making a hot espresso beverage, set your cup up on the warming plate. Fill the removable reservoir with cold water. Select single or double shot filter and use scoop with pre-ground espresso beans. Then use the tamper end of the scoop to tamp down the espresso grinds. Secure the portafilter into the brew head and turn to lock. Set your cup, glass, or mug underneath the pouring spout. For hot drinks, simply press the single or double button. For cold drinks, press the cold button, then select single or double. Now, with the bottomless portafilter, you can see the espresso extract. Once the espresso is ready, you may want to create an espresso drink. Fill the stainless steel jug of your choice of milk. Then insert the jug under the frothing wand. Move the level up to steam milk. Raise the stainless steel jug so that just the wand tip is covered with milk. Turn on the steam and immediately lower the jug so that the wand tip is just hovering above the surface of the milk. The wand should make a slurping noise. Once the proper amount of foam is created, raise the jug so that just the wand tip is submerged. Tilt the jug slightly so that the milk is moving around in a vortex. Once milk is hot, turn off the steam wand. Then use the frothed milk and add in syrups or toppings to customize. Now your espresso drink is ready to enjoy. This is the Cuisinart Slim Espresso machine. And this is quick, easy coffee shop quality espresso, just the way you like it. Now that's a work of Cuisinart.